Sabba papassa akarana, kusalassa upasampada, sachitta pariyodapana, etam buddhana sasana. I am Anadi Gunasekara and I proudly represent my motherland, Sri Lanka. Geographically, Sri Lanka is a tiny island that you wouldn't even notice on the map. But the hearts, the hopes, the spirit of my people are anything but small, they are immense. My people remain hopeful, they remain strong, they remain resilient, and I believe it's that very resilience that propelled me to where I am today. I'm coming from a small town called Anuradhapura. That's the first kingdom of Sri Lanka and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And I believe, realistically, I wouldn't be able to change the entire world. Idealist in me believe that I can change someone's world. And I think that's exactly what I will be doing in my life. Thank you so much. Stuti.